Both the headlights on the Renault Master were dull and corroded, and I got depressed just by looking at them. As I had some great results with the Cerakote headlight restore stuff on the Kangoo headlights, I went to also use it on this van. I started with cleaning the headlights and masking off the body panels to prevent them from scratching, as the restoration involves sanding the headlight lenses. The Cerakote kit contains a couple of little bags, and those contain tissues drenched in a chemical agent, and some sanding paper and a sanding puck. All items are numbered, and if you can count all the way up to 3, you should be alright. Wear gloves. They come with the kit, and while applying the chemicals, it's best not to eat while doing so, or adjust a tampon or lick your fingers. We start the joy with bag number 1. There are 8 bags in the kit, all labeled number 1, and it's advised by the manufacturer to use them all. I just used them till I had a feeling nothing happened anymore. I used about 6 of the 8 number 1 bags. After number 1, we proceed with step number 2. This is the sanding puck. And first we use the 2000 grit sandpaper, and after we've done both the headlights, we switch to the 3000 grit paper. Use a spray bottle filled with water while sanding. This lubricates the sanding and flushes the stuff away you just cut off the lenses. The wetter, the better. You can see the white stuff running off here. That's old headlight corrosion. Sand from left to right and not in a circular motion. Making circles with the sandpaper creates swirls in the lenses, and those are hard to polish out. So a bit counterintuitive here, but it's an important tip. The switch from 2000 grit to 3000 is done when you've sanded the whole lens thoroughly and you feel you are ready to use the polishing 3000 grit. This gets rid of deeper scratches and makes them nice and smooth without any rough spots. The lenses should be nice and evenly dull and no more shiny bits. And then you must let the headlights dry. The ceramic coating that is in sachet number 3 does not go well with water, so dry the headlights, blow dry them if possible, or let the car sit in the sun, but it must be dry, really, trust me. So now after it's all dry, it's time to apply the ceramic coating with tissue number 3. Go from left to right and make a 50% overlap. And do it once, not twice like me. Once is enough. Do it too much and the coating gets cloudy and dull and you have to start over. I know this well because, well, watch the Kangoo video and you'll see what happens. And then, job done. Let it dry for at least an hour before you go driving, and that's it. Thank you for watching.